In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through this
guys, so ngayon magre-reverse hair washing tayo. Ang gagamitin ko naman ay itong cream silk. Ayan, siya naman yung gagamitin ko ngayon. Kung napapansin nyo, marami akong ginagamit na iba't ibang product kasi lima yung nilalagay namin dito sa hair namin, iba-iba talaga. Kasi syempre, yung tayo nga sa pagkain nagsasawa eh. So, ganun din sa buhok. So, iba-iba talaga. Yan, magre-reverse tayo. Ang bango nito. Ito yung nababanguhan ko sa cream silk. Dati yung kulay pink eh. Pero ngayon ito. Tsaka, mahilig talaga akong ganito. Ito ang parang therapy ko. Ang DIY ng mga kung ano-anong pampaganda talaga. Pampawala ng stress, ganun. Kaya, bigyan nyo na ako.
Walking down the streets, feeling the breeze in the sunshine state where dreams come with ease. Palm trees swaying with the ocean in view. This is the place where I always feel brand new. Sipping on a smoothie, chilling by the shore. Got my shades on, feeling like I can't be ignored. Sun-kissed skin, feeling so alive in the soft rap game. I strive to thrive. Waves crashing on the sand as I ride the vibe. Soft rap flowing, let the rhythm collide. I'm the king of this groove with the catchy hook. Got the ladies moving.
So, nailagay ko na lahat. Tapos, naubos ko na rin itong isang sachet. Tapos, ibababad ko lang siya ng 30 minutes. And then, pagkatapos nun, maliligo na tayo. And then, shampoo. Yun na. Yun yung reverse hair washing.
This crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days, together we'll walk this road.